Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I'm Sunil Mirwani and today we'll be doing table exercise 1. We're going to do question number 27 to question number 31. Now they've given you a table here, male, female, total, average, good, excellent, total 32, 10, 30. That's it. Now the other data given to you is three data is given to you. Half the female students were either good or average and were either excellent, sorry, not good, excellent or either average and good. Second data, 40% of students were females. Third data, 1/3 of the male students are average. Right? Okay, let's see this. I'm going to fill the blanks with a different color. Now let's see this. 40% of the students are females. Working note. Right? Male. Female and total, let's see this. 40% are females. If the total was 100%, 40% are females. We know that the females are 32. That means the total number of students should be how much? 32 into 100 divided by 40, 80. Which will come out to 80. So total there are going to be 80 students, right? So total number of students are going to be 80. If total number of students are 80 and females are 32, then the males will be 48. Now, they have said that 1/3 of the total male students are average. So 1/3 of 48, that is going to be 16, right? 16 and 10, 26, 36, 46, 48, 22, right? If this is 22, that means this is going to be 8, right? Now, they are saying that half the female students were either excellent. Now, total number of female students are 32. Half of them will be 16. So, 16 are excellent. So, half the female students are excellent, or half of them combined together to form average and good. Out of which good are 8. So, average will be 8. So, this will be 24 and this is going to be 26. Right? Everything written in black is your blanks. Let's see questions based on this. Question number 27. How many students are both females and excellent? How many students are females and excellent? Female and excellent, 16. There are 16 students who are female and excellent. Next question, 28. What proportion of good students are male? What proportion of good students are males? What proportion of good students are males? Right? Now, the number of males who are good are 22. Total number of good people are 30. So, this is going to be 22 divided by 30, that's 0.73. So, 0.73 is your proportion of male students who are good. Next, what proportion of female students are good? What proportion of female students are good. Right? Female students who are good. Female students who are good is 8 divided by 30. So this is going to be 0.26 or 27. Question 30. How many students are both male and good? How many students are male and good? Male and good. 22 students are males and good. Amongst average student, question 31. Among average students, what is the ratio of male to female? Ratio of male to female. Amongst average student, the ratio of males to female is 16:8, which is going to be 2:1. Next, let's see the next question. Question 32 to question 36. Length of service 0 to 5 years, 6 to 10 years, more than 10. Knowing shorthand. Knowing typing. Knowing both and total. (40/35), 60/15, 40/40. Next, 35/40, 60/20, 40/30. 35/30, 40/10, 15/20, 80/120, 150/75, and 90/110. Now, you have they've given you length of service, they've given you people who know shorthand, they've given you people who know typing, and they've given you a key here. The key is graduate/non-graduate. That means obviously the data given here is for graduates and non-graduates. The first number indicates graduate, the second number indicates non-graduate. Now, people who know shorthand, it's quite possible that they know typing also, right? Because the fact that they've given you knowing both means there must be those people who know shorthand and they also know typing. First thing I need to find out is those people who know only shorthand. I'm going to continue the table, guys. Only shorthand. Let's see this. Now total there are 40 people who know shorthand. Let's look at the graduates, guys. Out of which 35 know both. So how many of them who know only shorthand? 5. Similarly, amongst the non-graduate, there are 35 who know shorthand, 30 know both. So there will be 5 who know only shorthand amongst non-graduates. Similarly, let's do in the age group, in the service 6 to 10 years. 60 know shorthand, out of which 40 know typing. 40 know both. So there will be 20 who know only shorthand. There are 15 who know shorthand, out of which 10 know both. So there will be 5 who know only shorthand. Similarly, in the age group more than 10, there are 40 who know shorthand, out of which 15 know typing. 15 know both. So 15, 20, 40, 25, right? Similarly, 40 know shorthand and 20 know both. So this will be 20. So these are those people who know only shorthand. Now I need to find out those who know only typing. Same logic I will use. There are 35 who know typing and 35 who know both. So there are 0 who know only typing. Similarly, there are 40 who know typing and 30 know both. So this will be 10. In the next age group, 60 to 40. 60 and 40. So this will be 20 and 10, and this will be 25 and 10. Right? Now let's find out those who do not know any of this. None. Do not know typing or shorthand. Do not know both. Now, let's see this. Total there are 80 people, out of which 5 know shorthand only, 0 know typing only, 35 know both. So that means there are 40 people who know either shorthand or typing or both. So that means how many of them know none? 40. Right? Similarly, there are 120 people here, out of which 5 know shorthand, 10 know typing, and 30 know both. Right? So how many of them know none? 75. Subtract. I just checked that. 120 minus 15 and this 40. So 120 minus 75. Right? Okay. Next, let's move on ahead. You have 150 people here, out of which 20 know only shorthand, 20 know only typing, 40 and 40 know both. So that means this will be 70. 150 minus 80 will give you 70. 75 know, there are total 75 people, out of which 5 know shorthand, 10 know typing, and 10 know both. So that is 25 on. So that leaves you with 50. There are total 90 people, out of which 25 know shorthand, 25 know typing, and 15 know both. So 50, 65, so that means this will be 25. And there are 110 people, out of which 20 know shorthand, 10 know typing, and 20 know both. So that leaves me with 60 people. Now let's get to the questions. Question number 32. What percentage of staff which is 10 years or less service knows shorthand and typing? Knows shorthand and typing. Right? Now, let's see this. What percentage of staff which is less than knows shorthand and typing? Now, knows shorthand, guys, knows only shorthand. See, only shorthand, and less than 10 years will be 25 plus 10, that is 35. 25 plus 10, 35, right? less than 10 years of service. This is 6 to 10 years of service.
We can directly go on to the knowing both.
Shorthand. Typing. Now, the ones who know typing is going to be, if there's some mistake somewhere.
Shorthand should be 20 plus 5.
They haven't said graduate or non-graduate, both. No? 25 plus 10. Right? Only typing is going to be 20 plus 20. So this is going to be 40. Right? So no, only shorthand, and this is going to be nothing but 75. So what percentage of, now this is knowing both. Knowing both. Now I need to find out for percentage. First of all, I need to know the total population. So now, total population. Now, total population which is in the age group of less than 10 years of service. Less than 10 years of service, total population will be 80 plus 150 plus 120 plus 75. So this is going to be 200.
421.
This is 200, 350, 425. Right? Therefore, percentage is going to be equal to 75 divided by 425 into 100. Someone check that, guys. I think it should be somewhere close to 18%.
Yeah.
Next question, 33. What percentage of staff members know shorthand only? What percentage of staff members know shorthand only? What percentage of members know shorthand only? Now, shorthand only, they have said the entire age group. So that means shorthand only is going to be shorthand only. We found out as 10 plus 25 plus 45. 45, 50, 60, 70, 80. Right? Total we know, total people, total population is going to be, this is 200 plus 225 plus 200, which will be 625. Right? Therefore, percentage is going to be equal to, percentage is going to be 80 upon 625 into 100. Someone work that out. I presume that should be how much? 13%. Okay. Next question, 34. How many graduates? How many graduates know neither shorthand nor typing? No, neither shorthand nor typing. Right? No, neither. You want only graduates who do not know shorthand and typing. Right? So no, neither shorthand nor typing. That is going to be nothing but 40 plus 70 plus 25. So this is 135. There are 135 such people who know neither shorthand nor typing, and they are graduates. Remember, the first figure is graduate, the next figure is undergraduate. Next, out of those knowing shorthand only, out of those knowing shorthand only, how many are graduates? Out of those knowing shorthand only, what percentage are graduates? Now, shorthand only, and graduates. Shorthand only and graduates is going to be 5 plus 20 plus 25. These are those who know shorthand only and graduate. Wait, I'll just write that also. Shorthand only and graduates are 5 plus 20 plus 25.
Yeah.
Right? 25, 50, 50. Now, I want total population of graduates. Right? Now, total population of graduates is going to be, I have to get total population shorthand only. I need to get of shorthand. Total population of shorthand is going to be 10 plus 25 plus 45. 45, 50, 60, 70, 80. Right? So in that case, percentage is going to be 50 divided by 80 into 100. Can someone please help me get that?
62.5. Where did you get that from?
62.5%. Which figure?
10 plus 25 plus 45.
This shorthand, see, out of those knowing shorthand only. So shorthand only in this age group is 10 plus 25 plus 45. That's how I got it. Right? Next.
So what is supposed to find total population of shorthand to
Out of those knowing shorthand only. So total how many are knowing shorthand only?
for graduates?
Graduates are 50. This is my total population of shorthand only. Out of which are graduates? 5, 20 and 25. Right? Next. If 10% of those knowing shorthand only, if 10% of those knowing shorthand only learn typing and 12% of those knowing 12% of those knowing typing only learn shorthand. By what percentage? By what percentage would the number of persons knowing both increase? Would the number of persons knowing both increase? Right? Now, 10% of those knowing shorthand only. Now, knowing shorthand only is 10 plus 25 plus 45, right? This is 80. Knowing shorthand only. Knowing shorthand only is 10 plus 25 plus 45, 45, 50, 80, right? So 10% is going to be 8. So 10% of those knowing shorthand only and 12% of those knowing typing only. Knowing typing only. Knowing typing only is going to be 10 plus 30 plus 35. This is 65, 75. 12% will approximately be, 12% of that should be approximately 9. 9? Okay. Next. Now, that means the increase is going to be nothing but 8 plus 9, that is 17, right? Now 17 is going to be the increase, therefore percentage increase. There are going to be 17 more people. Now knowing both, how many of them, wait, before that I'll just find out knowing both. Knowing both. Knowing both is going to be 65 plus 50 plus 35. 150. Therefore, percentage increase in knowing both. 17 have increased on 150. Right? 17 have increased on 150 should approximately be equal to 11%. So there would be a 11% increase in the population knowing both. Right? Okay, we'll stop this here for the day. Thank you very much.